Good morning, everyone. Myself, D. Madhuri, from third year ML department from Sasi Institute of Technology and Engineering. Today, I am here to give you speech on the topic: Will AI take away all our jobs? Firstly, let us know what does AI mean. AI means ability of machines to work as the humans do using human intelligence. I don't say that artificial intelligence will take away all our jobs, and also I do not say it will not take our jobs. Yeah, artificial intelligence is taking our jobs, but not completely. It is to some extent only. Artificial intelligence cannot think and do the work as the humans do. And human also cannot give accurately as the artificial intelligence do. So the combination of both these artificial intelligence and human intelligence gives us a tremendous work. Yeah, artificial intelligence can give us the data and can perform the tasks, but it fails in emotional intelligence as compared to humans. Artificial intelligence can give us accuracy, whereas the humans cannot give the accuracy. Artificial intelligence fails sometimes, and human intelligence fails sometimes. Both they are in the top according to their views. Artificial intelligence cannot beat human intelligence, whereas the human's intelligence cannot beat artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence does not take our jobs completely. In fact, we can say that it is complementing the jobs of humans. It is really a good word to say that it is complementing. It is not completely terminating, but it is complementing. It is just replacing its job, human's job. So, to overcome this all, it is a good idea to perform the task using both human intelligence as well as the artificial intelligence. If both human and the artificial intelligence combine, see how tremendous the output will be. It is unimaginable. The output will be so good. So, what I say is that artificial intelligence is not taking away the job of humans. I thank for giving me such a good opportunity. Thanking you all.